When Shapur has to pick you up for an event, you can be sure you're going to be late. Hello?
Hey Roman,
Where are you?
I've already left and I'm in traffic. There's so much traffic here. It's bumper to bumper.
I've been waiting for 20 minutes in the rain. Shapur's not here yet. And I think we're going to miss the start of the event.
Can you fetch me?
No, yeah, I can't turn around and come. If I do that, we'll both be late.
Oh, thank God. He's come. Okay. I'll catch you.
Okay, see you.
You're late, Shapur. Man, this is not done. You've kept me waiting for 20 minutes and...
Have you seen the traffic?
Have you seen the traffic? It's all red.
Yeah, so that's the reason it took so much time. I was a bit late, but let's see. Maybe
Shapur,
we can
listen. No, hang on. Hanging Garden is blocked. Kemp's Corner is going to be choked, and Breach Candy just always going to be traffic. I'm telling you, if we miss the social media stuff at this event, I'm not one to blame.
We do pull back a bit while descending Hanging Gardens, and the instant torque of the electric motors is a massive relief. But we soon catch a couple of traffic lights and the ETA looks depressing again. It all seems quite impossible. Even lateral thinking is unlikely to work here.
Well, maybe there's another way.
Shapur,
Let's just check. Here it is.
wait, where are you going? This is not the time to be funny. Okay, listen. I'm getting out of the car. I'm going to cab because I need to be on stage right now. Shapur, enough.
Relax. Let me make a phone call. Give me 2 seconds. Just let me make a phone call. Hi. This is Shapur. Hi. Yeah. Remember that recce we were talking about? Yes. Look, I'm at the start here. Is it possible to do it today? It will be convenient. It's an Exxon EV, electric vehicle. Yes. Exactly. Thank you. Why do you always act like a grandmother?
Why are we taking you?
I'm trying to take you by a shortcut. I'm trying to make you reach on time. Just relax.
What are you going to do? Drive through the sea?
Shapur, being Shapur, wanted to do two things at once. A recce for the coastal road being built in Mumbai and get me there on time.
All right, Rohan, this should be interesting. This should be fun.
Shapur, what are you doing? Have you gone mad? This is a construction site. Actually, yeah, I suppose you are mad.
Oh, go on. Do you want to reach there in time or not?
Then I noticed something that I'm sure will pique Roman's interest.
Rohan, look to your left. That section we've just passed. Do you know what that is? That's the tunnel coming from Marine Drive. It's going to be an undersea tunnel.
Wait, you said undersea tunnel.
Exactly. It would go
From where?
under Chowpatty. You branch off from Marine Drive, under the hill, and come out on the other side here.
The pair of tunnels will be 2 kilometers long each, and there will be several cross tunnels for safety.
And this section, we'd be flying through at around 80 or 100, 4 lanes on each side. It'd be super.
Wow, are you serious?
Yeah.
Can we do some of that now? Just taken a cab.
It's unreal. We're doing some serious off-roading in South Mumbai. And I must say, the Nexon is taking it pretty well.
Yeah, but does this road even go anywhere, or are we going to go for a swim?
I've seen a little bit of it, so hopefully we should be okay. I mean, we're not completely out of the woods. On the right is, we'll be approaching Breach Candy, and there's where you'll have the first big circular exchange. It's called the Amarsan's Exchange because of the Amarsan Garden, and most people know that as Breach Candy.
The Amarsan interchange located at Breach Candy will allow local residents to get on and off from the roads seamlessly. And the coastal road will also shift traffic away from the otherwise congested and arterial Pedder Road.
So pretty good, we're moving pretty well. And as you can see, South Bombay on our right is going past. Now I know this road isn't fully finished. They just remind me to stop and take some pictures because we're supposed to be on a recce.
Yeah, Shapur, thank you for the lecture. But I don't think this road is taking us anywhere right now.
What's good is that the Nexon EV seems right at home here. There's enough clearance and the suspension is comfortable and feels seriously tough, like it can take a real hammering.
I think we might just be making up a good amount of time on Rahul because, yeah, like I told you, more open section and we can do a bit more speed.
Now Rumaan is obsessed with Google Maps. In fact, I'm sure he even checks it on the way to the Panwala.
Let me see what the map says actually. Hang on. The map says we're in the sea.
What? Show me. I have to stop.
Yeah. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. Okay, let me call Rahul now. See where he is. Hello? Hey, where are you?
I am still at the end of Pedder Road, approaching Haji Ali.
Oh, really?
Where is he?
He's still at Pedder Road. All right, I hope you make it there on time. See you. Bye.
What's that?
That's Haji Ali already?
Haji Ali. Yeah, we are Haji Ali. I think we
crazy.
might be ahead of him.
We are.
Okay, so this is Haji Ali coming up.
Are we actually doing the road layout? Because these corners look really exciting.
Not really, because you'd be going much quicker and it'll be much more straight lines. This is where the Haji Ali interchange will be. It's probably one of the biggest interchanges in India.
The Haji Ali interchange will have 8 arms and has roads and lanes going every which way. There are bridges, elevated sections, on-ramps and exit ramps everywhere. Good signage and early information will be essential to a good traffic flow.
So Rumaan, we've got Haji Ali on our left and on our right, a little back there is Mahalakshmi. You think we have time for a quick visit?
You know what? I never believed that we would one day be this close to Haji Ali, but in a car.
Okay, I think we better carry on.
Yeah,
I was just trying to put your leg.
Yes, now can you please just concentrate on the road and take us there?
Let's just do that. Oh, this is crazy, man.
And sure enough, once the horizons open up, we can do much higher speeds.
So Rumaan, we are the first to get a preview of this road, and what would have taken you around 35 or 40 minutes will now take you much less, I promise you.
The Worli interchange with 6 arms is the final one before you get onto the C-Link. And this will also have a long bridge to connect it, spanning the current entry of the C-Link.
So you're saying we might be there on time?
You know what? This thing is going to change the face of the city. It's pretty incredible, don't you think?
Yes, and if this really is where I think it is, then I think you must know what it's time for.
You want to call Rahul?
It's time to brag.
Check where he is.
Hello? Rahul, where are you, man?
Hey, I think I've just cleared the worst bit and now I'm getting closer to Worli.
Yeah, I'm at the C-Link, in fact.
What?
Almost there.
How?
Yeah, you know, Shapur, when you sort of put the pressure on him, he can work wonders sometimes. All right, we'll wait for you.
Of course, we didn't tell him we'd taken the coastal road. We'll leave that for a bit later.
All right, Roman, that's our exit. I honestly can't believe we pulled this off. It was just, I don't know, I just thought we could do it and I called up and luckily he said yes. And I think Rahul's behind us. Oh, this is crazy. And we're back in traffic. Rahul, where are you?
What a difference the coastal road will make when it's ready in 2023. Modern cars need new age roads, and that's just what the coastal road will deliver. Built by BMC that runs the city of Mumbai, the road has been designed in such a way that there's not even one signal in the 10.58 kilometers. And the interchanges themselves are so long, they stretch for 15.6 kilometers alone, more than the road itself. The scale of the project is vast. Concrete and bitumen apart, 80,000 metric tons of steel will be used. Just think about that. Likely to positively impact the quality of life in Mumbai for decades, the new road will offer a more relaxed and faster commute on the one hand and significantly lower fuel consumption, congestion and pollution levels on the other. Welcome to the 21st century, Mumbai. Hope you like it.